Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you are watching Hybiz News.
Milma Chairman Shri Mani today welcomed the Kerala budget for 2022-23 presented by Finance Minister Shri Balagopal in the State Assembly today, saying it will contribute to the growth of the dairy sector in the state. The budget has earmarked rupees 40.22 crores for Milma, for which rupees 32.72 crore is for the construction work of the milk powder factory coming up at Moorkkanad in Malappuram district. Shri Mani expressed his gratitude to the state government, the finance minister and the minister for animal husbandry and dairy development, Srimati Chinchurani, on behalf of all the dairy farmers in the state for giving proper consideration for Milma in the budget. He added that the construction of the milk powder factory will also have the aid of the RIDF scheme will be completed soon.
Thank you for watching Hybiz News.